Brother Kuti, I was passing by when I saw you sitting down here. What are you doing here all by yourself?
I sit down, they relax now, they take breeze for the leg now.
You come to a place like this to take breaks for the leg.
Sure. Let us see as I enjoy.
You see? Brakuti, you did not even tell me what happened to you.
I go farm, oh. Now for farm now. All this S-men then. All this Boko Haram S-men.
Boko Haram headsmen.
Yes, so they throw bomb. I dodge down. They throw the second one. I dodge down. As they throw the third one, I no fit. I be bow.
How do we hear this?
Injure for you, injure for my hand like this.
Wait, Brakuti. So you are trying to tell me that you dodge bomb?
Not today. You know they see the name Akute. I smart. So I no coffee smart. They dodge the third one. If not, I for dodge jam. Now they hear my name Akute now.
This is the major reason why you need to be always coming to church. You need God, because if you have been faithful to coming to church and serving God, you should have you couldn't have sustained this injury.
So.
Okay, now take a very good look at me. God asked me to go to Sambisa Forest to preach. I got there. I started preaching. Even with their guns, I gathered momentum because the Bible says the righteous are as bold as lion. I went there as a lion, and when they saw me, I began to preach because the fire was in me. I preached. Before you know, they began to surrender.
How do we hear of this?
Their master came. After preaching, he gave me his gun.
Here is God.
The rest began to give me their guns. And all of a sudden, before you know, they surrendered their life. Because I am in the presence of the Most High. You understand? What is that sound?
Why they shock? Nah, gone now.
Gun. What gun is that?
Yes, man. Now they come now. The physics come back. So they.
They're shooting another one. No?
Now so now. They come. So they come.
They come here.
Yes, now.
Another one.
That's all now.
As it is now, we'll see in Bible study. Tuesday.
See, Pastor, you don't make mad for your film. Make mad. Come on, knockout where they shoot. Now you run. Now wow.
How do we hear of this?
Now wow.
Hello viewers, thank you today for watching to this episode of Akpos Dairies. I'm very grateful. Please do well to share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you feel like supporting our work, you can make a donation to the bank details on your screen. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next week.